Today we learn how to make this crankshaft. This is the 2D drawing and this 3D model. Now we'll make 3D model for this 2D drawing. Okay, let's start. At first I will make this circle, this radius 63.5. Yes, just click this and click part and click OK, and just choose front plane and click sketch and sketch circle from origin point to this. Right click and select OK. It will be just 60, this diameter will be 63.5. Click enter and just go to this picture and click extrude boss. It will be just how much distance it will be. Extrude boss, it will be 44.72. It will be 44.72, 45.72. Again see 45.72 and just click OK. Yes, now select this space and click sketch. Now sketch a circle on this origin point. Right click, select OK. Go to a smart dimension, make it 88.9 millimeter. 88.9 millimeter. Click enter. Yes. Again sketch circle. Just click normal and again sketch or another circle on this origin point. Just this origin point and right click, select OK, and then it will be just go to a smart dimension and make it 101.6. click enter. Yes, now just right click, select OK. Now a sketch line from this point to this point and this point to this point. Right click, select OK, and just go to add relation and click this line circle and click this line, make sure it is tangent and just click OK. Again go to this add relation, click this circle and click this line, make sure it is tangent and just click OK. Similarly it will tangent with this circle and this line, just click this and click OK. Similarly it will be add relation, just clear this circle and this line and click tangent and just click OK. Yes, now just trim this. Yeah. Just trim this. No, just at first check your 2D drawing. Just see this 2D drawing. Just I'll trim in this and it will be extrude boss. Yeah, 27.2. just trim 27.2. just trim this and just click OK and go to this feature and click extrude boss and make it 27.2 27.2, click enter. Now see, just click OK. Yes. Now select the space and click sketch and sketch circle and this circle on this, and just right click, select OK, make it 50.8 millimeter. Sorry, just see how much this diameter. Just go to the 2D drawing and just check it. How much this diameter? It will be 67.2. 67.2 and it will be 54.4. 67.2, just 67.2, just 67.2, click and sorry, it will be this, cancel it, it will be 67.2, click enter. Click feature and click extrude boss and make it 27.2 and just click OK. Yes, now just right click and select sketch and go to this 3-point arc and just sketch 3-point arc, this point to this, and right click, select OK. Go to a smart dimension, make this 169, click enter and just right click, select OK and just click this and click convert entity and click this point and click convert entity. Just trim it and just select OK. Yes. Now go to this feature and click extrude cut. Now see, just choose mid plane. Choose mid plane. It will be until this, until our this face and this face. So just click OK. Now see. Now again click this right plane and click sketch and again sketch 3-point arc and from this point to this point just right click and select OK. Go to a smart dimension, make it 169, 69, click enter and just click this and click convert entity and click this, click convert entity. Just trim this extra line and just click OK. Now go to this feature and click extrude cut. Yes, now it will be just this, it will be until this point to this point and just click OK. Yes, now see. Now go to this mirror and select this face, and click body to mirror. This is our body to mirror. Just see and just click OK. Now go to this boss extrude 1 and click edit feature. Actually it should be 22.86. just how get it you 2.86. just go to this our main drawing, 2D drawing. This is the 44.72. when you will mirror in this side, at that time it will be double. That's why you have to take now this is half of this. Okay, so this half will be 22.86. click enter, just click OK. Now measured just go to this evaluate, click measure, and just select this space and select this space. Now see distance, how much distance this face to this face, distance 154.52. okay, just cancel it and just go to this picture and click linear sketch pattern, linear pattern, and select this direction. This is our direction, this is our direction. It will be number of 3, just this distance will be 154.52. click enter. It will be number of 3 and go to this bodies. These are our bodies. Now see, just click OK. Yes, it is made. Click this show and just go to this direct edit and click move copy and select this and just select this rotate and just select this axis point and it will be just 120 degree. Yes, now click OK. Now see, it is make as a crankshaft. Okay.